it's time to make our welcome screen. I am going to close down my user interface template. I am going to find it again in my file system. User interface template scene. And I am going to control click. So that's right click if you're on a Windows PC. And I want to go new inherited scene. So I click on that. And it opens me a scene and it's unsaved. So I'm going to go Command S to save. Go into scenes. Levels, sorry. Oh, shall I put it in levels or shall I put it in GUI? I think I'm going to put it in GUI because it's more related to that. And I'm going to call it welcome. .tsc and save it. All right, cool. Double click where it says control and click welcome. We've got our title. So message large font is what we want, and it's there. And my message is going to be welcome. Exclamation mark, horizontal alignment, center, vertical alignment, center. And what I want to do now is override the theme and go to font sizes. And I think we'll go 48 font size, same as the top message. That looks good. Okay. So where were we? Message large font is the welcome. So I'll change that to welcome. Message small font is the instructions for the game. Message small font. The crazy robot crabs must be stopped. Exclamation, new line. A and D or arrow keys to move. Space to jump. Squash the robot crabs. Collect batteries for energy. Escape the level. All right, that looks good. Now we need to configure our play button. So first thing we can do is our text, which will be play robot miner. Then we need to do something with our script. If you go into script view, you'll see we've inherited the very simple script from our parent, which is the template UI. I'm going to do something else though, because I need to add to this script. But I still need to inherit everything that's in here. So here's what I'm going to do. Back into 2D view and click on the parent node. And you'll see my script up here. It's normally a little green thing to add the script. Because we have a script already inherited from our parent, we have a little red thing to remove it. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to remove it. Then I need to add in a new script. Click on that. And it's this inherits section that I'm interested in. First, I just want to check that it's going to be saved to the right place. Yes, it is. It's going to be welcome GD after the scene. Empty script, that's correct. But I don't want to inherit from control. I want to inherit from my parent scene, which is UI template. So I go create. Now I have a blank script. But instead of inheriting from control, if I go into my parent scene, just load that up, you'll see I'm inheriting from control, which is the base node, which this is. Now I'm inheriting from this script that we've written here. So I have all the functionality of that, plus what I want to do. Let's get rid of this. And what I want to do now is connect button play to this script. All right. So with button play selected, go into node. Same thing as before, the signal is going to be pressed. And we're going to connect it to welcome, which is up here, our parent node, connect. And then we get our little function on button play pressed. What do we want to do on button play pressed? We want to get the tree, brackets, change scene to file. And then the file we want to change it to is level 1. Where is level 1? We want to go into levels. Level 1 scene. If I click and drag that, that should work. But anyway, it's getTree.change scene to file, and the path of the file in there supplied as a string. Save it. Let's try and see if our screen works by clicking on the clapperboard. Play Robot Miner. And we start playing the game. All right, I'm going to call that a result. Let's crack on with the rest of our user interface screens.